What's up guys, welcome back to One Life Cars. Today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to remove and replace the spark plugs on the Vauxhall Corsa C behind me. This also involves taking the coil pack off, so if you need to do that, same sort of video. So without further ado, let's crack on and show you guys how. Right guys, first thing you want to do is get the bonnet open. Catch just underneath the steering wheel on the driver's side if you don't already know. A little clip under here, just find with your hand. It's just sort of there to the right of the badge. And the first thing you want to do is get the little plastic trim. I think it says Vauxhall on it, that should be air off. It sort of slides out and up. So there's a little trim there, get in this end of it and try and slide it a bit that way and pop it up. Or like me, if it's already missing, you can crack straight on. So we've got two Torx bolts straight in front of us. And to undo them requires a T30 bit, a Torx bit. You can use it on a little ratchet, or an hand driver might be a bit tight. I'm going to use a soft impact driver. If you've got a big 18 volt one for car bolts, I wouldn't really recommend it, but mine's only a little one. No fun's intended. So, T30 bit. And those two bolts. If you've got a little impact driver, it makes life so much easier than struggling with stuff. Right, that's two bolts out, put them out the way, somewhere safe where you're not going to lose them. Next thing is this awkward clip, which everyone goes on about. So you want to get a flat screwdriver, there's a little bit here. You can get a flat screwdriver and pop that down, it'll slide out. Just like that. I made that look quite easy. They sometimes can be a bit awkward on some of them. But if you just sort of get the flat screwdriver, get that bit of plastic over this tab bit first, it'll pop straight off. And now it's just a case of getting under it and getting it up. Now it's going to be quite tight because the rubber things that go over the spark plugs create a bit of suction. And also you don't want to pull it off at an angle because they can snap the ends off. So just got that end up a bit and get a bigger flat screwdriver. Just try and pop this bit side up a bit. There we go. Just so it comes out straight and you're not bending it too much. And there we go, your coil pack's out. So if you're just looking to do a coil pack change, it's at this point you get your new coil pack. And basically reverse of what I've just done. Stick your new coil pack in. Bolt it down, connect your clip back up, make sure it clips back in properly, and that's job done for the coil pack change. Right guys, that's about it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. That's how to remove and replace the coil pack on the Vauxhall Corsa C. Other than that guys, that's it for today. Until next time, peace.